The Lion and the Mouse. One day a lion is sleeping. A mouse runs over the lion. He snores. The lion wakes up. The lion is angry and mouse. He's scared. I am very sorry, said the mouse. I don't eat me. Can help you. One day the
Lakas mo
lion
boses mo.
loves that funny. Say you are little. How can you help me? But you lion not angry now. The mouse ran away. 1 year later, the lion is walking in the jungle. A big net falls over the lion. The lion opens in the mouth and holds the mouse hears the lion and the runs to help. The mouse kills in net and makes before the lion is free. Thank you, say the lion. Are you little, but you are king.
Okay na? Oh. Good na?